Good afternoon, good evening, good morning from wherever you're listening to me from. My name is John Chawa, and I'm here to put you through quickly on how you can set up or update your IP whitelist on Binance. Quickly, before this video will be over, please do well to subscribe, hit the bell so that at every point in time I update a video, you'll be able to be among the first to get to watch. All right, so quickly, I don't want the video to be too long. This video is going to also cover for both those who are new in Tafa and those who are already existing users. I'll be doing this video to cover for everyone. All right, first thing, you must have received your mail, or maybe you are creating your API. What you need to do is first go to API Exchange. API Exchange. So once you click that, what do you see? You see both spots and then you see both futures. You get it? And then what do? Both of them are the same. However, when you are creating your API, the API you are going to be creating in Binance will be both for this spot API binding and also for the futures API binding. All right, so you click Binance and it opens. So for those of us who have been here for a while, you notice that at first we had just number 1 and 2, and it ensured we copied enable reading, enable futures / spots, and enable API unrestricted. Now with API unrestricted, we don't need number 3. We don't need IP whitelist. So, but now Binance has forced us to make sure that our APIs are restricted. And so for you to have a restricted API, you need number 3. Which is IP whitelist. Your IP must be whitelisted. You get it? It's okay. So for you to be able to enable futures, don't forget I have a video on how to fund your futures wallet. You need to fund your futures wallet first before you can be enabled to tick for futures. So take note of that. You need to fund your futures wallet first before you can see the opportunity where you can fund futures, or before you can tick to enable futures. All right, then one thing you must know, for the new people, you notice that here is empty, here is empty. For those of us who are already in use, we are already used to having, well, we already have this. But for the new people, when you create your API, you come here and paste it, and then the secret key, you also paste it. You notice that my secret key here is ***** asterisk, because it will never be seen. Nobody can see it again. Myself, I can't see it again. Once it's lost, it's lost. So I had to copy it and keep in a secret folder so that in case I need to replace it, I can always do that. So when you create your API, I will say that by the time we're creating the API, you have to copy your Binance key and Binance API and keep it in a safe place. All right, quickly. Let's go to Binance. Now we're in Binance. You're at the home page. You come to more. You get it? More. Once you click more, what do? You scroll down, and you see what we call API management. Once you click the API management, what do you see? Create, to tell us to create API. So I just don't want us to waste too much time, but create your API. Once you create your API, if you click create API, this is what will come up. Just go ahead, system generated. It's not self-generated. Just click next, and then you type your create API, either Tafabot. You click next, and then go ahead with your verification process. What is left after here is your verification process. You just pull this. I don't plan to do that, so because I don't want to create another API. So once you pull that and the what do you call it, goes in, you are good to go. All right. So but we're here. That's the puzzle. The puzzle just fits in and you're good to go. So but we don't want to work on creating a new API. We want to assume, because by the time you create your new API, this is what you will see. You will come and see Tafabot. This is what you will see. So by the time you get to this point, those who are new, you will see a secret key here, long, just like this. So the first thing you have to do is to copy your API key, copy your secret key, and keep it in the document. Keep it in the folder, keep it in your Word, in your notepad. Just keep it somewhere that you can always reference to, because after like 20-30 minutes, it will turn asterisk, and even Binance itself cannot get it for you. You need to create another one. And Binance has given a limit. You cannot create more than 20 APIs on one exchange. So you must be careful. Another thing you should also take note is, you see that here I have enabled futures. So if you have not funded your futures before you even create the API, please go and fund your futures so that it will be enabled. If not, you will have to create another API after you are funded. So please make sure you fund your futures account before you create your API. So what do? You come here. For those of us who are already in use, both those of us in use and those of us who are new, you first come here and click edit. Once you click edit, this is how it looks like. You can enable spot as instructed, enable futures as instructed. Now you see, okay, good, enable spot, enable futures. Now if you look from where we are coming from, what the instruction Tafa gave us initially was click IP unrestricted. However, with Binance forcing us to go restricted, we need to tick restricted. And once you tick restrict, it will bring out this box where you have to put your confirmation. You need to put your IP. It should get restricted. So what do? You go back to here. You copy here. This is what you click. Copy. You copy your whitelist. Then you go back to Binance and sorry, I had gone out of it. And you paste it here. You paste it here. Oh, okay, let's go back to edit. You need to click edit. Then you paste it here in this box. And then you click confirm. Once you click confirm, or you click confirm, it will come up like this, like the way mine looks. I don't want it to be too long, the way mine looks. Once you copy it, and then you come here and click save. You follow the verification process and you're good. That is all that Tafa is asking of us. After you have done this, you are good to go. All right, I'll be rounding up with a new bot in town, Neuranet. Neuranet is doing wonders. Don't joke with Neuranet. Neuranet is the new machine, is the chat GPT now, the chat GPT of crypto. All you need to do is what? It takes trade for you on your behalf. All these trades were made by Neuranet and I did nothing. All the trades were taken by Neuranet. You can see API already. This is a closed trade. It has given me already 0.64 in one single day, 0.64. So we are getting an average of 0.5 to 1% daily from Neuranet. It's so simple. How do you create a Neuranet? You just give it an instruction, and that is all. I'll do a special video to tell us how to create the Neuranet bot. But for now, let's all go update our IP addresses and then enjoy profits with Tafa. This is John Chawa. Please do well to subscribe and hit the like button and hit the bell also, so that you always get updates. Thank you so much for your time, and God bless you.